like to talk to you about chemical weathering. Chemical weathering is when rocks actually change chemical composition because of some sort of process acting on them. So we have water, which is called hydraulic weathering. Hydro is always the prefix for something that relates to water. So we have hydraulic weathering. An example of this would be water making salt melt. So melting salt will change the chemical composition of salt. So this is water causing that type of weathering on salt. We have carbonic acid chemical weathering. Carbonic acid is a naturally occurring substance in the atmosphere. This acid, which is suspended in raindrops, will form clouds. The clouds rain, this carbonic acid rain, which will change the chemical composition of the rock or plants too that it touches. So we have naturally occurring carbonic acid, but we also have increased sulfuric acid and nitric acid in the atmosphere, and this is because of burning fossil fuels. This is directly related to human activity. So burning gasoline, coal in particular, will cause an increase of sulfuric acid and nitric acid in our atmosphere. Again, this will combine with water droplets that will eventually become clouds, and then the rain that comes out of the clouds will be way more acidic than natural. And this is called acid rain. It falls on statues, rocks, and things, and causes increased weathering and pitting on the rocks. Then we have oxidation, which is another process of chemical weathering. Oxygen is in our atmosphere all around us, and it easily combines with other minerals that are in our world as well. And an example of this would be iron converting to iron oxide. Iron oxide is a fancy word for rust. So we have basic just iron, but iron in the atmosphere binds with oxygen, actually physically changes the chemical composition of the iron into rust. So you have chemical processes occurring that are weathering of rock. Plants also can chemically change a rock. If a plant its soil or root system is close to rocks, it will take nutrients out of the rocks, and that again will change the chemical composition of the rocks. It might take some carbon out of the rock to help it grow its structures, and in doing that will actually change the original chemical composition of the rock. So for more information on chemical weathering, please feel free to email me at rose_wignall@abss.k12.nc.us.